Rod June Cruz, Dayan Medina welcome second baby, Maria Isabela Elizabeth Ilustra. Celebrity couple Rod June Cruz and Dayan Medina finally welcomed their second child yesterday, July 23, at St. Luke's Medical Center. Named Maria Isabela Elizabeth Ilustra, Rod June and Dayan's baby number 2 is a fitting and perfect gift that celebrates their 17 years of being together. Rod June Cruz shared this milestone on his Instagram. 17 years na tayo today simula nung sinagot mo ako wife, Dayan Medina, he wrote yesterday, the best na regalo ang binigay sa atin ni Lord ngayon. Rod June also wrote his appreciation for Dayan who safely and successfully delivered their baby Isabela. Grabe, ang ating second baby, our Princess Isabela Ilustra, he said, so proud of you wife. Ang tapang mo, sa nasaksihan ko kanina mas lalo pang tumindi ang pagmamahal ko sayo. Saludo ako sayo, I love you so much.